The Mobile World Congress was held in Barcelona this year, and we were there covering the event. It has been one hell of a ride, and that's quite an understatement. The product announcements started to pour in even before the actual event started. So a day before the event, we saw Huawei launch its newest flagship device, the SN-P2, with them claiming it to be the world's fastest smartphone. We also got to get a hands-on demo of the yet-to-be-released BlackBerry Q10 at the Showstoppers event. This is the QWERTY-based BlackBerry 10 device. Surprisingly, HP announced its foray into the Android tablet market with its budget-minded HP Slate 7. We got to see this at the Pepcom Mobile Focus event, and at the same event, Samsung suddenly announced the Galaxy Note 8.0 out of the blue. It is an 8-inch tablet that can make calls like a true phone with an on-device earpiece and all. With that, the day zero of MWC was over, and then came the busy day one, in which lots of press events were scheduled. First up was Sony and LG at the same time in the morning. Sony announced their global version of the Xperia Tablet Z with its glorious Full HD 1920x1200 screen. LG had an event at the same time, in which it launched the Optimus G Pro with a massive 5.5-inch 1080p screen, a couple of F-series phones that are aimed at bringing the LTE to the mass market, and a refresh to the mid-range L-series devices. After LG was Nokia with 4 new devices. 2 of them were Lumia smartphones, the Lumia 520 and the Lumia 720, and the other 2 are feature phones, the Nokia Ono 5 and the Nokia 301. The 520 is the cheapest WP8 device yet, and the 720 is a feature-packed device at a decent price point, with its USP being great design and great low-light camera with a f1.9 lens. The Nokia Ono 5 is the cheapest Nokia phone ever at 15 euros, and the Nokia 301, it has some cool imaging tricks with it, and both are T9 based devices. Asus too had its press conference on the same day. They made their presence felt by launching the Pad Phone Infinity, which we really liked, and the Phone Pad, which is a direct rival to the Galaxy Note 8.0 and the Galaxy Tab 2. And yeah, it has an Intel Atom processor, the Lexington one. ZTE had its press conference for the day, and it announced the Grand Memo at the event, which is supposedly the first device to be powered by this Qualcomm Snapdragon 800 quad-core processor, making it a beast of a phone coupled with a massive 5.7-inch display. Other devices that interested us include the Galaxy X Cover 2, which is a rugged waterproof phone, and then there was the Yota phone we really liked because it has a cool e-ink display at the back, and of course the other cool device was the dual screen Android phone, the NEC Medius W. And last but not the least, we had a great time at the Jolla Sailfish event, and we got a hands-on demo of the Sailfish operating system from none other than the CEO of Jolla himself. And that concludes our MWC wrap-up. There are lots more to see in our coverage, so do check out our blog and subscribe to our YouTube channel for lots more videos and coverage.